Alright, so in this video, I'll show you guys how to promote a specific item on Temu through Temu affiliate. And once you, basically, if you share this link to someone and they buy it, you basically get a commission, which is really easy to make money at. So first you want to do is just go to you and click on the settings on the top. Once you're here, it's going to say country and region. Change that to United States. Even if you're from Mexico, just change it to United States. Alright, once you've done that, go all the way back. Now go to the search bar and type in affiliate program. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Affiliate program. Alright, now it's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see, I already made $2 from sharing my thing to someone. And you can too. So once you're here, just scroll all the way down till you see share items to earn. Now you can see all these stuff that you can share to other people to make money. So for example, I'm gonna just show you guys how to do it. So just pick an item. I'm gonna just pick like a household item. Just pick like this thing. And once you're here, click on copy link. As you can see, it says $2.11. If you continue posting links to other people, you can get a lot of commission where you can make thousands of dollars a day. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe.